Hey guys, what's going on, guys? So I'm out here at Lake Wallenpaupack, and today we're out here. It's like 6:30 at night. You know, we're gonna try to stay until it gets dark out. So I'm probably gonna get started on the usual, nice little 3-inch swim bait. Go for some smallmouth bass, largemouth bass, anything like that. And then when you get later, we can try for some walleye and other fish like that. So let's see what we can catch. Alrighty, guys, see what we can catch. Okay, first cast fish. There we go. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's like bluegill or something. Shoot. And he freaking took my tail. Of course he did. My God, let's catch some stinking fishies. Let's catch some stinking fishies. That Sunny's back. I'm gonna not be too happy. Take a smallie, I'll take a rock bass. Oh, shoot. Oh, yep. Rock bass, maybe? A little perch. Catch everything on this lure. Perch, rock bass, you know, bass, tons of things. Right, top lip, nice. Oh, bye, bud. Yeah, it's fighting pretty light. That's a bird right there. Is that a bird? Oh! Is that a fish? Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Oh, that's not it. Nice perch. Okay. I saw like a shadow there. I thought it was like a massive fish. Scared me. I think it's just a rock though. But a lot of perch in it. That's surprising. Not like rock bass or regular bass. Huh. Oh my gosh. Scaring me to death. Okay. Crankbait time, crankbait time. Got the crankbait on. Oh God, I hurt my ankle so bad. Shoot, dude. Hopefully this crankbait will be doing a bit better in the darker conditions because the fish will be able to see it more. Or like hear the vibrations more. Whoa, fish just jumped right there. Right there, yeah. This could be the alewife. Which are like the bait fish that we have here in the lake. When they're in close to shore, then that hopefully means that there's bigger fish that are following them in. Oh, it's a fish. Oh, it's a nice fish. That's a fish, right? Oh my, is that a fish? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's just a rock bass. Still nice, still nice. Still nice. Nice. He was fighting pretty well. I think it was just the way he was hooked or whatever. But nice. That's a pretty good one too. It's not bad. Oh, okay, bud. You're okay. It's warm. Please don't. There you go, bud. Have a good day. Nice little rock bass. I think I fought pretty well. This water is like hot. Oh my gosh. I swear, that water is like, oh my gosh. So nice. Really nice. Alright, let's see if there's any more rock bass over here. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let's take it in the next cast. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big freaking fish. Or maybe it isn't. Maybe I just hooked him in the weirdest freaking way possible. Oh yeah. Yep, I just hooked him in the weirdest freaking way possible. Yep. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You kidding me? These stinking perch. Here you go, bud. Nice little fishy. Try to get some of these dudes. If that hit. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Walleye, could be a walleye, could be a walleye, could be a walleye. Walleye, pike, pickerel, bass, too small, could be a huge smallie. Oh yeah, it's a big smallie, big ol' smallie. Big ol' freaking smallie, oh big ol' smallie, big smallie. Big stinking smallie, oh my gosh. Holy crap. Keep the pressure on, keep the pressure on. Keeping the pressure on. Yep, oh, that's a nice smallie. That's a nice old smallie. See right here? Right here, scoop him, scoop him, scoop him. Jesus. Oh my gosh, scoop him, scoop him. Nice job. Nice smallie, guys. Look at that fish right there. That's a nice smallmouth. Look at the size of the smallmouth right here, guys. Nice fish. Put in her back right now, bud. Watch this. There she goes. There she goes. And she's gone. Nice fish right there. Oh my gosh. That's all your night fish, guys. Oh my gosh. It's a nice smallie. Holy crap. It was fighting so well, too. Nice fish. That fish was honestly bigger than I thought it was. Then it looked in the water. Oh my god. No, but that jumped though. It jumped. And then I thought it was like a longer like walleye or something. But that was such a fun fight. Oh my gosh, that was such a fun fight. Such a great fight. I love smallmouth so much. Love smallmouth. Yeah, let's try this one right here. This one, interestingly enough, I found on a like a chain or whatever for like a dock, and it's supposed to be, or it's supposedly good for walleye and other fish in the lake. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'm sure it'll catch bass too. It's just the same, pike, pickerel. You know, all the game fish. Yep, there's something that just jumped. Yes, I do. Yes I do. Yes I do. Alright guys, I have to hold the my flashlight like this so you can see my face good, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I was glad I was able to catch that really nice smallmouth. And you know what? Nighttime fishing, something pretty cool. So check it out if you haven't already. But thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.